Wanna know how to beat difficult Dokkan events without items? So, okay guys, let's talk about how to beat tough Dokkan events without using items. First things first, you don't need to panic. Focus on building a team with high defense and strong link energy. Units that stack DEF or heal after attacks are your friends here. Second, plan your rotations. Keep your best defenders on rotation and floaters on support. Third, use type advantage smartly. Make sure you never attack a strong enemy with a weak type. Lastly, make sure to super attack every turn to keep buffs active. With patience and rotations, you'll clear events easily with no items and no problem. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily beat difficult Dokkan events. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in videos for more of these videos. See you in the next one.